if you work with spanners or sockets, you're going to love this set. It's from Bahco. I've just been having a look at it here. Bahco, well renowned for spanners, socket sets in the construction trades, building trades. Been going for donkey's years. This set, straight away, it comes in there, fantastic, oil resistant, chemical resistant, really robust case. We all like those, with those sprung loaded catches. And this really, I'm getting excited about this even before I opened it. Take a look at this. Look, there we go. We've got a really comprehensive, I'm going to hold it up, I don't know if you can see all of that, really comprehensive spanner and socket set. So we're going to have a quick rattle through what we've got here. Oh, fantastic. So you've got metric spanners, 1/4 inch, going from 4mm all the way up to, where are we? These are all chrome vanadium steel sockets here, right up to 13mm. You've got your long series ones for those difficult to access places. Again, 4mm up to 8mm, up to 13mm there. What have we got here? Impact sockets. Now, if you use an impact wrench, so many people use those nowadays, and the sockets have to be specially designed because of the forces going through the collars and at this end as well. You've got 4 of the most popular sized impact sockets there, 17mm, 19mm, 21 and 24. You've got a selection of screwdriver bits here, from slotted to Phillips to hex. Hex going up to 10mm. So many things have got hex fixings now. So on the 1/4 inch, you've got the famous Bahco Ratchet. It's got the bi-material grip. This is a really grippy, you know, absolutely bi-material. You're not going to slip. It's nice and warm. It fits in your hand. It's got the quick release mechanism as well. Quick release button. Right, socket's not going anywhere. Push it, comes straight off. Fantastic. And it'd be a nice, can you just hear that? Nice fine little ratchet. Precision. It's like a clock. Absolutely. You got your standard screwdriver handle to put your sockets and bits and accessories on. You've got a couple of extensions in 1/4 inch drive and a sliding T-handle as well. So you've got all the bits and bobs you want there. You've even got your little wobble joint as well. Your converter, 1/4 inch to socket. Look at that, it's all in there. Then you're getting up into the bigger stuff now. This is all the, you know, this is the heavier duty stuff. You've got the big 1/2 inch drive sockets here. You've got everything you want. Same features and benefits on this ratchet here. Nice big bi-material grip handle. Just look at that. Look at the quality. It's all chrome vanadium. Metal switch from forward and reverse there. Again, high quality chrome vanadium steel sockets. Look, they're all marked up, every one. Nothing to hide there. They've even got the knurling round the top, which a lot of people like. They've got AF or Imperial and metric. So you've got in your Imperial, and there's a lot of things there, a lot of American stuff is still Imperial, and you suddenly find you haven't got a socket for it. They've got from 3/8 right up to 1 inch and 3/16. Take a look at the ratchet, quick reaction, quick release again. That goes straight in, it can't fall off down the workpiece, and then quick release. Look at that, I'll just do that again because I like doing that. Look, just as a button, quick release. Fantastic ratchet, and again, that is quality all over it. So you got your sockets. I've covered the AF sockets, or the metric, the Imperial ones. Metric ones go from 10mm. Just, you know, the quality of these is fantastic. Right away through 18mm popular sizes, right up to 34. Now, if you're on site very often, or you're engineering, you got some big nuts to deal with. 34mm is most popular in the biggest size that you're likely to come across. We've also just seen there's a few of the little micro hex keys there. Fantastic. And big extension bar, all 1/2 inch drive. You've got your slider there with an extension if you want to do it into a T. You've got a spark plug socket, and you've got your swivel adapter as well there. Fantastic. That's only half the story. Take a look at this side. Do I need to move it across? I'll move it across a little bit. Okay, what's that? Well, that's to put all your little bits and bobs in. If you want some other screwdriver bits, washers, nuts, little electrical fittings can go in there, and you can just store them. You've got a set of swivelling ring socket spanners. If you need to do things up quickly or you're in a tight area, away you go. Look at those combination ones at each end. So you've got 8 and 9 mil, 10 and 11, 12 and 13, 14 and 15. So you've got 8 of the most commonly used sizes covered there in lovely, lovely finish there. Turn the swivel and you release a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 piece combination spanner set that you can just take out the set, use it on site, use where you want. That just clips open there. It's as easy as that. Let's take one of these out so you can just have a look at the quality of the engineering here. Take a look at that. That's the 15 mil one. You've got a little angle on the ring end there, and that gives you knuckle clearance when you're using it, so you're not scraping your knuckle. You've got your 15-degree offset open-ended spanner there, just what everyone needs. And again, Bahco quality, again, chrome vanadium steel. That's a really important feature when you're buying spanners. You've got to make sure they're a good quality chrome vanadium steel. So that set starts at, let's have a look where that starts, right down at 7 mil, okay? Tiny little nuts there, going right the way up, everything you're going to need, right the way up to 19 mil, which is a really popular spanner. And that's all contained in this little carry holdall there. Instantly you can see if you left the spanner on site, it's instant to see, everything's nice and neat to select. And when you're done with it, look, it just slots back in there like that, turn the knob, click that shut, there you go. 94 top quality pieces in this set, all in an absolute smashing case with the robust catches. That is well, I think that is a fantastic set from Bahco, 94 piece socket and spanner set. How cool is that?